Hey guys, I am back today with this really pretty wig. It is by Bobbi Boss. It's the MLF487, and this is a gorgeous wig. It has two combs in the front, and it also has one comb in the back with the adjustable straps. The lace on this wig is like a medium brown lace on it, and there is the parting of this wig. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, put this wig on, brush it, and I will be back because this is just a throw on and go wig. Alright you guys, what I'm going to do is take this hair fetish lace and knot sealer kit, and I'm going to go and open up the part. I'm not going to do anything else to the part. I'm going to take that dark color there and try to open it up, but you guys will see. On camera it looked like it was showing, but off of camera it wasn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this lighter color and place it in the part. Even though it seemed on camera it looked like it was open, but it wasn't. So I'll be back you guys. I'm gonna go ahead also and pluck out the little front portion of the hair because it was too much hair there. So I'm gonna go and pluck that out, and I'll be back with my final look. Okay guys, this is my final looks on this wig. The makeup tutorial will be listed down in the bottom bar, and I'm going to be back with my final thoughts on this wig. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I am back today with a wig review, and I just want to start off by saying this is the first time that I have ever done a color like this in my head, and I must say I'm pleasantly surprised that it looks pretty on me, because I don't know, me and blondes, I don't know, I just try to stay away from certain type of blondes because I don't know, I just feel like they look weird on me, but this is gorgeous on me in my opinion. You guys, I'm so happy and I absolutely love it. Oh, by the way, this very pretty makeup look, I am in love with it, you guys. I came up with it and created it. I'm going to post a link down in the bottom bar. If it is not there by the time you see this video, believe me, it's coming very soon within the 24-hour time frame that you see this video. It's going to be down there in the bottom bar because I absolutely love it. And I think it goes perfectly with this wig and this color of this hair. This is not, I'm going to be very honest, for me, at least for me, I wouldn't say this is an everyday wig that I'm going to wear. I absolutely love the curl pattern. I'm not going to lie. I love the curl pattern of this wig and the style of it. So I'm most likely going to go back and get it in a number 2 because this wig is beautiful. It is on the silkier texture. It's not like silky baby doll hair silky, but it is on the silkier texture of the hairs. And you are going to get some flyaways, so just be prepared for that. You're going to need some type of serum or something like that to rub your hands through the hair to get rid of the flyaways. They aren't horrible, so don't think that they're not horrible. Now shedding, I did get a little bit of shedding, but I'm pretty sure that's from when I cut off the lace, because as I run my fingers through it, I'm not really getting any shedding whatsoever, to be very honest, as I run my hands through it. So I'm pretty sure that was just because I cut off the lace. Let me stop. I didn't show y'all the wig. I'm so sorry. It's by Bobbi Boss. It's their first class hair 4.5 deep lace part lace front wig, ear to ear lace. I got this in a color TT4/27430. The style is MLF487 henna. This is this wig, you guys, and this is yeah. Okay, my camera, okay, there it goes. So I'm going to try to do a 360 and show you guys this gorgeous wig, you guys. It is a longer type bob, but it is still pretty. This color is gorgeous. So as for right now, you guys, like I said, no tangling, no shedding, anything like that after I finished running my hands through it. You guys saw that I took my hair fetish and I had just to open up the part in the right there. I didn't pluck it or anything like that, except for just a little bit, like to open up the beginning, because this wig does have baby hairs, you guys. Just in case you want to know, it has baby hairs so you can swoop them. Me, I'm not really a baby hair type person. I'm gonna be very honest. I just like to throw my wigs on the go. I don't want to put no baby hairs on them. So it's pretty though. Now you will have to adhere to size, because I have these, I put my straps tight. I didn't cross them, but I did put them tight to where they are right next to each other, and this wig fits my head perfectly. I have a 21-inch on the circumference of my hair, and I just have my head, sorry, and I have 2 braids in my hair. That's it. It's not really braided down really flat, but it's flat enough. Now if you are going to want to, you may want to glue, or not glue, but put some got to be spray right there just to hold down the sides. But other than that, all the rest of the hair, you guys, lays perfectly flatly. You don't have to worry about it except for on the sides. You will have to go ahead and tack it down if just to be cautious, especially right here, because this lace is not the hard lace, it's not the really soft, but it's like in the middle, but it is good enough to go ahead and keep it down. Now if I was going to be worried about this a lot, I'll just go ahead and get some got to be spray and spray it right there to keep it down. Other than that, you guys, this wig is absolutely gorgeous and I absolutely love it. I have no problems whatsoever. Not one complaint do I have about this wig, well, except for the flyaways. But hey, it makes up for, the beauty of this wig makes up for the flyaways. I am 5'3", and this is where this wig is falling on me, you guys, so I'm not gonna ramble on. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want this wig, I'm gonna leave all the details down in the bottom bar for you guys. You guys do not forget to go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you go and you click on that notification bell and you click on the subscribe button. When you click on the notification bell, click on all to make sure that you don't miss any of my videos. I absolutely love you people who have been rocking with me. Y'all know y'all are my hearts. I love y'all. Y'all been with me forever. And for y'all new subscribers, thank you so much and welcome to my channel. All of you guys are greatly appreciated and welcome. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in my next video, which will be very soon. Bye.